Santa, tell me, are you really there? Do you think you can sing like on a song contest? I don't think so. I don't think I have it in me. But do you know what I do have? Is a chance for you to earn some money through your phone. Okay, yeah, you heard me right. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another video, and on today's video I'm planning on putting money in your pocket. Yeah, you heard me right. So today I'll be taking you through an app that I have been using on my phone that has helped me earn over $61. Did you hear me right? I said $61. So first I'll be showing you how much money I've been able to earn on this app, and then I'll be taking you on step by step on how you get signed up and like set up on this app, and what do you input where and when for you to get like ready for these jobs. Okay, so let's get to it. So before I start, I want to say this video goes out to everyone who's been reaching out to me and asking me like, Betty, how can I earn money? How can I earn money online? How can I earn money on my phone? And I want to say, I heard you, and on this year I'll be your Santa. Remember when you're asking Santa, like whispering that, Santa, could you visit me this Christmas? Well, Santa visited you through me, and on this year I'm planning to like help you get more reliable jobs, and that's kind of the long term. So I thought to myself, as much as I'm preparing us on the long term, I should help us also on the short term like goals, whereby I get to help you learn about the apps that I've used personally like to earn money, all these websites that you don't know about, or maybe you know about, that will help you earn a little cash on the side to help you. And I know this will go a long way because it has helped me personally. So here's a video to just show you that it's true I've been able to earn on this app. So as you can see, there's some indication on the side there that says paid. So this is money that did get to me after that campaign. So I want to say that the campaigns may not be as many in a day. You could get maybe 5, maybe 3, or as low as 1 or none in a day. But it's okay because, you know, in a week you will have earned money nevertheless, right? So their campaigns runs on Twitter. So Twitter mostly they pay $1, that is 100 Kenyan shilling, or they could go higher depending on the company that you're doing the campaign for, right? And on other platforms like IG, like Facebook or LinkedIn, the prices could vary. So it's up to you to take these opportunities and run with them. So mine is just to show you that it's true I've been able to earn on this app. So here's some examples of some of the campaigns that I was able to run for Wowzi. So all you do is just tweet and retweet for like 30 minutes, and then boom, you're done with your job. So if you need to learn on how to go about these campaigns, you can go check out mwenda.betty on Twitter, and then you'll be able to check how I was able to do my campaigns and apply that on yours. So yeah. So by now you're wondering, Betty, is it just in Kenya that people can work on these jobs? I say no. So I did go on their LinkedIn page, and I was able to check that they're spread across Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, Tanzania, Uganda, and across Europe. So their headquarters are based in Nairobi, Kenya, but these jobs are available to anyone across Europe, in Tanzania, in Uganda, in South Africa, in Nigeria, and in Ghana. So if you're in these countries, why not take your shot and just start working on this job? So by now you know that this video is not a bluff, and I'm not here to waste your time. Right? Do I have your attention? Do I have your attention? Do I? Yes, now I know I have your attention. Now listen to me. So when I came across this app, I was looking for jobs like you. I was like out there looking for jobs, trying to earn some extra money on the side, or just the first money, because I didn't have a job then. And do you know what you have that I didn't have then? Guess. You have me. Your advantage is that you have me, that I've gone through all that process, and I'm here to just give you like the result of my hustle, the result of my disappointment. I'm here just to like dish them out to you, like, you know, it, right? Wowzi App, you're going to become an influencer. That's how you earn money on this app. So they send you campaigns. I'll be sharing a video about this. They'll be sharing like campaigns with you, whereby you get to have like, they send instructions on this campaign on what you're required to do. So don't be scared. No one expects you to be on CBDs on the street and dancing, unless they do. I don't know, but you get to choose or reject the jobs that you want. So really no one is forcing you to do anything. But if you want the money, then you're going to try like also do like a lot of jobs on the app for you to get to earn. So again, whatever you feel you're not comfortable with, you don't have to do. This is the fun part about this. You get to choose the jobs that you want. So what do you do on this app? You get to receive campaigns for other companies through Wowzi, and then you're supposed to like make them trend, or just like post about them on social media. So they post mostly on Twitter, they post on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on IG. I don't know about TikTok yet, but I'll be showing you all that on the later on this video, so stick around. So the juicy part is not even there yet. Okay, so once you're able to post, then you keep reposting and posting. So this should take you like almost like 30 minutes. So how much time do you spend on IG? How much time do you spend on TikTok? Keyboard warriors, how much time do you spend on Twitter? Reading through all those threads that doesn't earn you any money, but you know what you get on those apps? You get the experience. Like, you've been posting on this app, you've been replying. Now that experience is what I want you to bring in on this app. All the knowledge, that all the drafting and crafting of those messages, now this is where you apply it. So you'll be posting on Twitter, on IG, on Facebook, whichever they want to use, or whichever platform they want to use for these campaigns. That's why you'll be using them. So take a moment. So are you enjoying this video so far? So why have you not liked this video, huh? Why have you not liked this video? Have you subscribed yet to my YouTube channel? Because all this year, this is the kind of information that you'll be getting from me. So we're playing here long term and short term. Okay, so I'm here for you, like through and through. Okay, so hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button. And if you think someone else can use this video, why not share with them? I'm here sharing this with you, so share this with someone else. You liking and subscribing this video, you help me reach more people who are in need of this job. So now I know by now you're so thinking, maybe, Betty, how many followers do I need to have on Twitter? How many followers do I have to have on Facebook? When I started doing this job, I think I had like 200 followers on Twitter, because I did my campaigns mostly on Twitter. I had like 200, and while doing these jobs, I was able to grow my following almost to 600 followers. And what I'm telling you right now is, I think their bare minimum is like 300 followers. So if you don't have that yet, it's so easy to build followers. All you have to do is like go and follow people and wait for them to follow back. For those who don't follow you, unfollow them. Then go follow other people until you gain the number of followers that you want, and then boom, come to Wowzi and start these campaigns and start earning that money. Okay. So after you download your app from Play Store, you come to creating an account. So I already have an account, but I'll just create an account to help you. So sign up with your phone or an email. If you're using a mobile app, why don't you use your number? So enter your number there, and then you'll be prompted to create a password. So yeah, after you enter your number, you can see mine doesn't agree because I already have an account. So I'll log in just to take you through the next step. So once you log in, this is where you'll land. So you have your payment history just to show you how much you've been able to earn on this app, how much money is pending, how much money have you received. That means it has been transferred to your phone. So you can see I've been able to work on some jobs previously, and I was able to like get my money. So you'll see as you go through that, you'll be able to see that. So you can see like the history of a month, the history of a year, of the history of a whole year. So yeah, you'll be able to see that. So job offers is the first part. Then you have ongoing jobs. So job offers, you get to see what jobs have you been invited to. Ongoing jobs are the jobs that you're currently working on. Then once you're done with the job, it's moved to the reviewed part, which now it means that they're going through either the campaign that you are working on, and then they're able to check whether you met all the requirement of the job. And if you did, then that job is moved and you're allowed to like get your pay. So that's the process. So you're offered the job, then you accept the job, then it's ongoing. Then you have the reviewed, and then payment starts. So that's where you see the payment. And then now to go on, you have to come like set up your account. So you have the profile settings. So since this is my account, I want to be opening the profile settings because it has sensitive information, which it's my information. So this is the other part of payment. So you have an option of being paid through a bank or your mobile phone. So I'm like, why not pick the mobile phone, right? So yeah. And these are the social medias accounts that you can link with Wowzi. So you have Facebook, you have Instagram, you have Twitter, you have TikTok. So the more the accounts, the more money you get. So put them all out there. So this shows the amount of groups that I've been invited to. So you'll be invited in several groups. These groups means that any campaigns that comes through that group, you're invited to it. So accept all the groups that you think you want to work with. I mean, accept all, honestly. If a job comes through that you don't think you want to do, then just pass it. You don't have to do it. So this is the part of the occupation. So here you create whatever you do currently. So mine is, I have checked content creator, but if you're a student, check the student. Whichever occupation you are in, then you can input that. It doesn't like well, I won't comment much on that because I don't know if it affects depending on each occupation, but really this is just to show them what are you currently doing, or just to gauge I want to say how much, I don't know, exposure you have. Honestly, I don't know about that part, so just like scratch that. So here you enter your interest. So what are you interested in? So if you're interested in art, in animals, in automotives, whichever category here that you're interested in, then you can go down there, like you can open it and then you can check some of the things that you're interested in. So if you're interested in animals, then you'll be able to say, are you interested in wildlife? Are you interested in dogs? Which type of animals are you interested in? Automotives, what type of automotives are you interested in? So whichever category that interests you, just open it and then check some of them. So now here we have withholding tax. So I haven't been able to enter mine yet. I'll be doing that. Then we have the notification part. So you're supposed to check all these notifications so that once you're invited for a job, then you're able to see that notification on your phone. That's why I said an email could be tricky because sometimes emails could delay or you don't have like a pop-up notification and all that. So here you have a guide just to like guide you on how do you go about a job once you're invited. And if you need like to check some of the questions that you have that maybe you won't be able to understand on this, go check the frequently asked questions. If you don't see anything that answers what you have, then you can chat with the team. They're very prompt in answering and they'll be able to send you a message through your email and also through your phone number. So you'll be able to check once they respond to you. So in each account that you link on Wowzi, they pay you differently. So you can see Twitter pays you 100, LinkedIn differently, and other social accounts. So you'll be able to check that once you've linked your account. So here you're also supposed to enter how much money do you earn in a month, right? So you check whichever like category that works for you. And then if you want to be paid via your bank account, you can check any bank account that they have in your country. That is, so these bank accounts, some I think are the ones which are in Kenya because my account is a Kenyan account. Depending on whichever country you are, then you'll be able to see different banks names there. So yeah, basically that's it. So you can see for my country, if you're being paid through your mobile phone, you can see you have an option of two. Thank you for listening through. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that you're pumped to get started earning some money. So if you need to get your social account like ready for this, please do so, start by now, and let me know in the comment section how that is going for you. I'll be happy to help you wherever I can. So if you need me to follow you to add on those followers, please let me know. I'm happy to follow you and keep building on your followers until you're ready to start on these jobs. So if you haven't liked this video yet, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. By doing this, you'll help my channel to reach more people and also to get them the help that you're benefiting from right now. Okay, so be prepared to get this kind of content. So as I said on this video, my plan on this channel is to get you more reliable jobs and to just get to give you the ideas on how you get on those platforms and get earning money on more reliable jobs, right? So these are kind of the gigs that I want you to have, like some small income coming in for you to motivate you to keep on the journey on the long-term goal. Remember, our goal is long-term, unreliable jobs. So, but I'll be posting this to help you get some more money on the side here to keep you motivated. So until next time, take care of yourself and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.